All right, today we're looking at some of the most affordable homes in the Mesas right here in Summerlin. So today we're gonna be looking at this $500,000 house right here in the Mesas. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And today we're looking at the most affordable homes in Summerlin right here in the Mesas. And this channel is designed for everything Las Vegas, whether it's real estate or lifestyle. Please reach out. We love helping people find their dream home here in the Vegas Valley, and we'd love to help you as well. Information's below. We're gonna jump into this tour right now. Let's get at it. All right, so as we jump into this tour, we're out front here at the end of the cul-de-sac, and I want you to know too, right here through this pedestrian gate on the other side of the street is the Mesa Park over there. So there's multiple parks in this area. There's a community pool, so you can go down there and get cooled off in this Vegas heat because it's hot out here today. Anyway, 2-car garage going up. Again, this is one of the most affordable homes that we were able to find right here in the Mesas in the Vistas. So this is what you're gonna get, the Mesas in Summerlin. So this is what you're gonna get in the $500,000 range, you guys. Come on inside, take a look. You got a small courtyard as you walk up to the front door here. As we walk in, see, we've got laminate wood floors throughout the bottom floor here. 2-car garage off to the side right here as we walk in. Fully finished off, need some paint. Little coat closet off to the side. This is your front living area as we walk in. You know, property's a little over 1,800 square feet, so it's on the smaller side, but again, at this price point in Summerlin, it's very, very difficult to find a property of this size at this price point with 4 bedrooms. So we've got a little fireplace off in the corner here, doggy door with a little doggy trail out in the back there. So walk over this side, we've got the kitchen, tile floors in the kitchen. Got the stainless steel appliances in here, big pantry in the kitchen. And we've got I believe we've got a bedroom down over here as well. So we got the full bath for the downstairs and for this bedroom. You know, decent sized closet. Looks like more storage under the stairs here than a closet. It's got an angle on it there. Let's go on upstairs really quickly. I was told this property has brand new carpet and paint. Looks like the carpet's been trampled a little bit, but. So as we come up the stairs, we've got our first bedroom off to the side here. Excuse me, second bedroom, first bedroom upstairs. Bit of a closet here. Pretty standard bedrooms, guys. Again, in this price point at Summerlin, it's gonna be very standard. We've got the bath up here that's gonna service this bedroom. As we walk off to the side, we've got bedrooms 3, laundry room upstairs. And then you've got the primary bedroom here off to the side on the back all by itself. And then the primary bathroom as you walk in. Pretty standard features, standard tub, shower, closet. But the one thing that upstairs that I think is the best thing upstairs is this big balcony off the front. Check it out. So as we walk out here, nice big balcony, beautiful mountain views off to the south there. You might be able to get a glimpse of the strip if you look in between these houses, but not really a strip view. Let's go downstairs, take a look at the backyard. All right, let's take a look at the backyard. This is it. Big covered patio here with the ceiling fans, which is nice, kind of cools it off. Concrete, and lots of rock back here. So you can kind of reimagine this backyard whatever you want it to be. Definitely a pool-sized backyard with a little tier. You can see the waterfalls going to the pool. So put some work into this property. It'll be a nice property right here in an amazing area of Summerlin. So again, this is one of the most affordable homes that we're gonna find here in the Mesas in Summerlin, and this is what you get for around $500,000 right here in the Mesas. Hey guys, thanks for coming on the tour with us of this affordable home right here in Summerlin. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you think about this house. Tell me what you think about Las Vegas in general. But if you want to know anything about Las Vegas, whether it's real estate or lifestyle, please reach out. We love hearing from people, helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. So until next time, we'll see you on the next one.